A for apple. A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for cat. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G for grapes. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for home. H for home. Home means घर. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. Joker means हंसाने वाला. K for key. K for key. Key means चाबी. L for lion. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for moon. M for moon. Moon means चांद. N for nest. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. O for orange. Orange means किन्नू. P for parrot. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen means मलिका. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Rainbow means कोशिका. S for sun. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for train. T for train. Train means रेलगाड़ी. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छतरी. V for van. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means खिलौना. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.